Today, I'll share a recipe that boosts your health. A simple yet powerful blend of red dates and ginger. This combination is often considered a natural healing remedy. It not only helps ease minor health concerns, but is also affordable and easy to prepare. There's an old saying, eating 3 red dates a day keeps you youthful forever. Red dates contain plenty of fiber, vitamins, especially vitamin C, along with minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron and phosphorus, as well as strong antioxidants. They nourish the blood, improve skin complexion, and increase vitality, which is why women especially love them. Ginger, on the other hand, warms the body, dispels cold, and supports immunity. Together, they create a remarkably potent wellness duo. Let's begin by prepping the ingredients. First, wash the red dates. Pour a little clean water over them so they're damp. Then sprinkle in a handful of flour. Gently rub the dates. Although red dates may look clean, there's actually something hidden beneath the surface. The wrinkles on the skin can trap dust from drying, impurities from transport, even tiny insect eggs. Flour works like a cleaning agent, drawing out the dirt and contaminants. Its fine texture helps it reach deep into the folds and lift away dust, residue, and any eggs on the skin. After scrubbing, scoop the dates out and place them in clean water. Rinse them 2 or 3 times until the water is completely clear. Now your red dates are safe to use. Let them drain well. Next, prepare the dates. Using clean scissors, cut the plump red apples into small pieces, removing the seeds neatly. Scissors make this much faster, especially when working with a big batch. The pits come out easily, and the pieces are nice and even. It saves a lot of effort. Women are especially encouraged to consume red dates because they're packed with iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants that help nourish the blood and support circulation. This gives the skin a healthier, more radiant glow and boosts overall vitality. If you often feel fatigued or your skin looks dull, eating a few red dates daily can be a simple but effective way to support your wellness. After chopping all the dates, transfer them into a pot. Add enough water to just cover them. Here, I'm using about 500 milliliters. Stir gently to spread them out. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And cook until most of the liquid has evaporated. Cook until the water reduces like this. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Now, let's prepare the ginger. Place the ginger in a large clean bowl and separate it into smaller pieces. This makes washing easier. Add a little salt. Sprinkle some baking soda and pour in enough water to cover it. Stir until the baking soda dissolves. Baking soda softens dirt, making it easier to scrub away soil, sand, and bacteria. This step ensures a much deeper clean. Let the ginger soak for about 5 minutes. After soaking, take a clean toothbrush and gently brush the ginger's skin. You'll see bits of dirt coming off from the tiny creases in the skin. Keep in mind ginger flesh is warming while the skin is cooling. Leaving the skin on when cooking helps balance warm and cool properties, making the drink smoother and more pleasant. If you see any dark, dry, or wrinkled spots, trim them off. After rubbing hard, rinse the ginger thoroughly. It will become bright yellow and fragrant. Let it drain completely. Slice the ginger thinly. Each slice should be aromatic and light yellow. Ginger contains many vitamins and minerals, including gingerol, which boosts energy and provides trace elements. It has antioxidant benefits and enhances the aroma of dishes. Put the sliced ginger into a blender. Add enough water to fully cover it. Then turn on the machine. As the blade rotates, the ginger slices are cut into smaller pieces and gradually turns into smooth ginger juice. Pour the pureed ginger mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl. Press the pulp to extract all the juice. This is pure ginger essence. Set it aside. At this time, the cooked red jujube has cooled. Put them into the blender. Add some of the ginger juice, about 2/3 the amount of the dates. Now start grinding. The ginger aroma and date sweetness combine into a velvety mixture. Now you have a smooth mixture, blend of the warm taste of ginger and the rich sweetness of red jujube. An irresistible combination. Makes you want to taste it immediately. Next, we move on to the important step, where the magical aroma and flavor of ginger and red jujube really shine. Take the remaining ginger juice and stir well to dissolve the starch. Settle to the bottom of the bowl. After letting it sit for a while, some ginger starch will subside. Now, pour this rich ginger water into the pan. Add brown sugar, less if you prefer a lighter taste. Turn up the heat to high and stir until the sugar dissolves. As it heats, the mixture will bubble and the kitchen will fill with a warm ginger aroma. So pleasant. Continue stirring until the syrup boils and brown sugar dissolved. Once the syrup boils, reduce to medium-low heat. It will gradually thicken over time. When the mixture reaches the perfect consistency, add the blended red date mixture. Immediately, a rich sweet fragrance rises, a perfect blend of date sweetness and ginger heat. Continue stirring constantly over low-medium heat. This concentration phase is essential for creating a smooth, thick paste. Constant stirring ensures even evaporation and prevents burning. Wear gloves to avoid hot water splashes. Maintain steady heat and keep stirring until the mixture becomes glossy, thick, and does not stick or burn. If sticky or burning, the taste will turn bitter, and all your efforts will go down the drain. Where are you watching from? Please leave a comment and let me know. Continue stirring until the mixture naturally coats the spoon, and let it cool. As it cools, the flavors blend beautifully. Next, prepare a clean, dry glass jar. Carefully scoop the ginger and red apple mixture into the jar. Close the lid tightly and store in a dry place. It can keep well for up to a year. To enjoy, scoop a spoonful into a cup. Add hot water and stir gently until dissolved. Drink while warm. This ginger and red apple jam is a perfect natural remedy for health in any season. In summer, it helps clear excess heat and humidity. In winter, it warms and restores energy. A cup in the morning sends gentle warmth through your whole body, perfect for cold hands and feet. It's especially helpful for women during their menstrual cycle. Drinking it daily boosts energy and supports immunity. Always keep a jar of this ginger and red apple jam at home. Whether it's rainy, damp, or cold, you can always enjoy a comforting cup. It's simple, practical, and wonderfully soothing. Give it a try. This is the end of the video. If you have any thoughts, leave a comment. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.